Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. This video is for all the developers who are doing crazy projects but are not sure how to deploy them on the internet. So let me introduce you with GitHub Pages. You can see this is a demo project I've made, and this is the deployment URL, and this is public. This is made possible due to GitHub Pages, and in this video we'll discuss how we can deploy our project on GitHub Pages in very simple steps. So let's begin. For simplicity, we have these 4 steps. We need a project, we need to build it, then we need a new GitHub repo with this username.github.io. It's a special repo, and then we need a few git commands, right? So just to show you, I have deleted my old repo, and if I'll click here, this won't open. It will say side not found because I have deleted that repo. So let's create that repo again, right? No big deal. The name should be my username dot github.io. That's it. That is a complete valid name. Just don't make changes to your username, right? Here we'll create a repository. So this is the new repository, and whatever we'll push inside this will be shown here, right? Okay, so now it comes to our VS Code. This is our project. Now we'll quickly see if there exists any current git. Yeah, if you'll do git status, it will say that there isn't any git, so that's good. If you are having a current git, you can remove that because this needs to be pushed to another repo, not the one in which you're working right now. So first of all, the basic command npm install, because we need all the dependencies. Once this is done, our only focus is the build file because that is the one which is going to be pushed. So we'll write npm run build. You can see there will be a new folder created with the name build. This one, this is the only folder we need to push in our new repo, and it's all done there. Once this has been built, we will move to that path, cd build, and this is the place we are going to push all these things. So there is also no git, I guess, for right now. Yes, so let's make one. Git init, git remote, add origin, and if you need all these commands, these are listed here. Just copy this URL and we will simply paste it here, and then we will simply copy this for shifting to main branch. Then we'll git add dot, it will add all the files. We'll make a commit from this one, git commit, and the message can be special deploy, and we'll do a git push. Okay, we need to set it to upstream. Let's copy this one. The moment you'll push this code from here, this will automatically be redirected to your newly created repo, and it shows pending. So you need to wait for a couple of things to be done, and once this is done, see, GitHub will automatically take care of all the things. It just needs a build file, which is this one, not the whole source code. And if you'll go here and just refresh the page, it may take a few minutes. Okay, we can wait for a few minutes, but this is it. This is the whole process. You just need to create a build file, then you need to create a new repo with the name username.github.io with this username. This will be your base URL, and then you need to push your build file to this repo. And this is the simplest trick GitHub provides. It's really very easy. If you see a tick here, you can simply go to that website and you can refresh that, and it's all done. You have your portfolio, it's completely working, it's public, you can share the link, you can add it anywhere you want, and this is this simple, my friends. So next time, if you find any difficulty with deployment, you don't have money to buy domains and all those things, leave that aside. First try this one. This is the simplest method we can do. We may try a version and all those things in future videos, but if you like this video, please share this, and thank you so much. Keep coding, man.